Hina, KTN News.
Now, for more than a year, the Tanzanian government has not employed new doctors, a situation that has left at least 1,700 Tanzanian doctors unemployed.
Tanzanian hospitals are crying for doctors, just like Kenya's case, and now the Medical Association of Tanzania says it is not ready to send 500 of its doctors to Kenya.
Dorcas Wangira reports.
Long queues, patients waiting for hours in line paint the picture of Tanzania's public healthcare system. The Medical Association of Tanzania admits they don't have enough doctors.
Tumeweza kuona kwamba kuna upungufu wa 75% ya madaktari katika nchi yetu. Na kulingana na ripoti ya Sikika ya 2012 inaonyesha kwamba takriban 74% ya madaktari wote wako kwenye miji mikubwa.
But Tanzania's government maintains it will send 500 to Kenya in the wake of April to be hired on contract basis. Kenya's health sector is still reeling from the effect of a 100 days doctor strike. Core issues like the return to work formula is still not fully resolved. But is the decision to look to Tanzania feasible?
So we think the implementation of what the doctors in Kenya agreed with the government should start first, then the partner states should be invited probably. If there is still a chance to employ doctors from other countries, I think we can welcome that offer with two hands. So we have no reservation for doctors going to work in Kenya, but it's all about the timing. That this is probably not the proper time for us to send doctors in Kenya.
Hafsa Mohammed is a young doctor in Tanzania, among the rising number unwilling to accept the move.
There are very few doctors serving the public in Tanzania. The government stopped employing doctors 2 years ago. We are not being absorbed. Plus, there are issues in Kenya that needs to be sorted. They recently concluded a 100-day strike. So before I take myself to Kenya, I think issues needs to be sorted out in Kenya before I can go.
Tanzania's doctor-to-patient ratio is worse than Kenya's, 1 doctor to 20,000 patients. April is not far, days away. The Kenyan Doctors Union KMPDU maintains it cannot understand a move to outsource foreign doctors when more than 1,400 in the country